Welcome to FireRail. Today, we will explain how the carbon monoxide and diesel fumes from an exiting fire truck are captured and removed from the building via the FireRail vehicle exhaust sliding suction rail with trolley and automatic release magnetic nozzle, letting the firefighters focus on answering that alarm. Let's dive in and understand this innovative health-saving system. In fire stations, it is crucial to have efficient systems in place to minimize response time when an alarm goes off and to protect the health of the firefighters and EMS attendants. One important aspect is the exhaust system, which helps remove harmful gases emitted by the engines of various apparatus. The magnetic vehicle exhaust nozzle at the end of a hose plays a vital role in this process. It holds the hose to the tailpipe, thus capturing the exhaust fumes and directs them outside the building through exhaust ducting and a fan. To automate this process, many fire stations use a FireRail sliding suction rail system. This system consists of a rail installed along the ceiling of the fire station, running from the parking area to the exit door. When a fire truck is parked inside the station, its exhaust pipe is connected to a FireRail magnetic nozzle, which is connected to the hose, which is then attached to a sliding trolley on the suction rail. As soon as an alarm goes off and it's time for the fire truck to exit, an automated process is triggered. First, the fan is started by a wireless remote, which is connected to the lights of the fire truck. Next, as the truck starts to leave the station, the sliding trolley on the FireRail starts moving towards the exit door with the truck. As it moves, it pulls the hose connected to the exhaust nozzle along with it. This ensures that there is no risk of entanglement or damage to the hose as the fire truck starts moving. Once the fire truck reaches the exit door and the sliding trolley reaches its final position, the trolley strikes a gas shock stop, causing the magnetic nozzle to automatically disconnect, and the hose will swing slightly back into the station, ready to be connected again on the truck's return. This is designed to automatically detach the exhaust nozzle from the truck safely, and it allows the fire trucks to exit smoothly without any obstruction or delays. With a FireRail in place, fire stations can ensure a quick and efficient response to alarms, saving valuable time in emergency situations while at the same time protecting the health of our heroes. FireRail, protecting the protectors.